Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kaylee, and today I'm going to be doing a very special video. It's a get ready with me college edition, and I'm gonna really have fun with this because I don't always get ready. Just saying, I do not always get cute and get presentable for class. Sometimes I literally will walk out of the room looking like this, but this should be really fun. And yeah, I'm just gonna do my makeup, hair, and then pick an outfit with you guys, and then I'm just gonna show you guys the results. Also, if you are new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and if you want to see more videos like this, just make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you don't and you want to see other videos, just leave it down in the comments and I'll do it for you. Anyways, I love you guys already if you're new to the family, so yeah. And I'm gonna do my makeup, and I'm gonna start with this rose water. Ooh. So I'm actually gonna do my eyebrows off camera because lately I have not got like my actual eyebrows done in maybe like 2 months. Like, it's been a minute. Like, if you look up close and personal, it's like, girl, get your eyebrows done. But I've just been so busy, but I do plan on getting them done like really soon. So I'm gonna do those off camera and then I'll be back. So my eyebrows are done, and now I'm gonna move on to my eye. And to do my eyes, I'm just gonna be taking these Age Rewind concealer. It's a little beat up, but it's fine. And I'm just gonna apply that on my lips. So for my palette for my eyes, I'm going to be using the Morphe 350 palette. I've literally had this palette for maybe a year and a half, maybe even 2 years. I have no idea. I just know that I love this palette, and till this day I still use this palette. So then I'm going to be taking a brown shade, this one right there, and I'm just going to be focusing that on like the outer V. This is more of like a fall look. I'm kind of feeling the fall vibes today. And I feel like November is just the month for fall looks, so why not? So after that, I'm just going to be going into my Give It To Me Straight by ColourPop, and I'm just going to be taking Truth Hurts, and I'm just going to be focusing that over the shades I just applied. Just kind of to give them a nice blend. And after that, I'm going to come in with Frank, and I'm going to focus Frank on the outer V of my eye. I am going for like a bad girl look today. Not that I'm bad, but yeah. So that's why my makeup's a little darker for the daytime. Maybe some people aren't used to this, but I love makeup, so anything's fine with me. I will go out with like black blended eyes, smoky eyes. So once I do that, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut my crease. It's not going to be like an intense cut. I'm literally just doing it so that when I add the shimmer, it looks pretty nice. Then with the same Give It To Me palette, I'm going to be taking Up Front, and just focusing that on the inner V, or the inner of my eyelid. After applying that, I'm just gonna come in with Candid. And now I'm just gonna apply this on like the middle lid, just to add like a gradient effect. And then I'm just gonna blend everything in. So I'm now gonna go ahead into my foundation in my face, and then I'm gonna come back to my eyes and add eyeliner, and then just smoke out my under eyes a little more. It's not like the cutest look I've ever done, you know, it's pretty basic, but it's totally fine with me. So for foundation, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus. So this foundation is a little darker than me, which is kind of sad. So I do need to go get a new foundation, especially because winter's coming around and I get so pale during that season that I will look so orange if I wear this. I already look kind of orange. And I'm just using a Morphe sponge, blending sponge, and just blending everything in. And then next, I'm just going to be taking my concealer and adding a little under my eye. Guys, college is literally like, it's so crazy for me right now. Like, I've been trying to blog a week in my life, and I feel like the 1 week that I decided to blog is the week where I'm like slammed with work. I'm like so busy. I'm at the library all the time, and it's just really crazy. Then to set my under eyes, I'm just going to be using the Airspun loose face powder, and I've been using this for a while. It's not my favorite, but honestly for me it's so hard to find a powder that I like, and I thought I had found one and then I ended up not liking that one. So I'm just back to square one, and this has just been the one I use. So if you do know of a good one, like, leave it in the comments, please. Like, I want to have a good setting powder. It's so important. So to contour, I'm just going to be using my Beat Up Go-To palette, guys. This palette has been through all my makeup phases, literally. This is the Anastasia. You can't even like tell because how beat up it is, but I don't want to let this palette go. It just has so much like significance to me. But this is the medium to gray Anastasia contour kit, the powder one, and I normally use this one, which I have no idea what the shade's called. I normally use a Nutmeg mixed with Havana. So I use Nutmeg and Havana, and then a little bit of this one just to like make it a little deeper but not too much. And then I'm just taking this MAC brush. I have no idea what number it is because that's how old it is. It's been around almost the same amount of time this one has. Then after I contour, I just like to come in with the same setting powder I put under my eyes. I like to take this brush. I don't know what brand it is, but my friend got it for me. And I just like to go and just like basically like clean my contour so it doesn't look as muddy. And then I'm just gonna come in with just a big, this is a Real Techniques brush, and I'm just gonna just wipe down all the powder. And my favorite part of makeup literally is highlight, and I'm gonna be using one of my favorite highlight palettes at the moment. This is the Moonchild Glow Kit. And this is of course by Anastasia, and I'm just going to be using Pink Heart, as you can tell, my favorite one out of the whole palette. And I'm just going to be taking a Morphe brush. This is a M510 brush, and I'm just going to spray some of my rose water on it and then some of the rose water on my face. And then I like to just come in with this other brush that I have and just kind of take a little more and just like blend it. So next I like to just make sure that my eyeshadow looks the same way I wanted it, because sometimes like once you you know, you do your face, you maybe not like something. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more of the lighter shimmer to this side. I'm gonna take my mascara. I'm gonna be using Great Lashes by Maybelline New York. I'm not gonna do lashes just because I love lashes, but I only like doing lashes for certain events or certain events. So for lips, I'm just gonna come in and do that after I decide what outfit I'm gonna wear, just because I did do my eyes to where I could go with any outfit. But my lips, I don't usually do like a really like crazy color for campus. I usually just do a nude, but I have a couple different nudes, so that would just determine which nude I want to do. So now to move into my hair. Literally, my hair is a hot mess, and I literally have less than an hour to head to convo. So let's see what we do. So to start off this look, I'm just gonna brush out my hair. So once I brushed my hair, I'm just gonna throw it back like this. And I'm just gonna create like a half ponytail, a half up. Like this. I look a little crazy right now. And then I'm just going to be taking my straightener, and I have it to, it's actually off. So I'm just going to go in and add some curls to my hair. Just like that. And I'm just gonna do that throughout my whole hair. curl the bottom. I didn't like make like perfect cute curls because I'm gonna brush it out and I just want to go for more like a wavy look. Then I'm just gonna take the top part and I'm gonna just make sure I pull it out, and then I'm gonna curl it out like that. So then I'm just gonna brush it out before I like kind of fix all the curls that didn't come out the way I wanted to. So now I'm moving into the outfit, and this is just like the final hairstyle. I might bobby pin it like right here. I didn't do like super in-depth curls. I kind of just curled some of the strands. Just wanted it to look more like a natural hair look. So for my outfit, I did these jeans. I literally love these jeans. These are my go-to when I want to just do a cute fit. And then these are Levi's. And then I got my Vans. And then for my top, I'm just wearing a gray shirt. And it's just long sleeves. And then I just threw on my jean jacket. And I just wanted a bit to be like a jean on jean outfit, and I'm really feeling this look. And now I just have to add a lipstick. Take it off. It's still cute. So for lips, I'm just gonna go with a lip gloss. This is the ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip. I absolutely love this. Love this gloss. I was gonna go for like a matte look, but I was like, look, I already have shimmer on my eyes. I might as well go with a little bit of glitter on my lips. So guys, this is the final look. I absolutely loved filming this. I feel so cute. I love it. My hair, my curls are kind of coming out, but it's fine. That's kind of what I wanted. And I love it. If you guys love this look as much as I do, please just comment in the comment section and just let me know what you like, what you don't, what you want to see, anything. Just express your thoughts. Anyways guys, I hope you guys love this video, and I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching this, and if you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell because you want to get notified every time I post something. Anyways, bye guys.